last night. My name is John Katzenberger. I'm the director and co-founder of the Aspen Global Change Institute. This is our 16th summer of interdisciplinary meetings. And for those of you that have been here before, welcome back. And all of you that are here for the first time, I hope you have a great week. Our mission is to further interdisciplinary studies through meetings of this sort. When we started in 1989, 1990, it was very important to try and bring the social and natural sciences together, and that's been a theme of many of our meetings over the years. The participants have been from about 34 countries, about 700 participants, mostly from universities, a few government labs are pretty well represented, and a few from non-governmental organizations. During the course of the week, at lunch, I'd like to invite a group of you to make suggestions to us for future topics of the Institute. We take ideas from you, from the research community, and bring these ideas to the federal agencies in Washington and make suggestions about what topics are important from the research community's point of view. And hopefully those will align with the missions of the various agencies. I'd also like to mention that AGCI is involved right now in a climate impact assessment for Aspen and surroundings. And we're working with a team that includes people over in Boulder and an advisory board from different parts of the country. So if any of you are interested in that, I'd love to talk to you about it while you're here and gain your insights about it. This year, we're in year 2 of a 3-year NASA grant, and this NASA funding is supplemented by funding from NOAA and the National Science Foundation and the Department of Energy. And we also have private foundation funding from the Packard Foundation and from the Hewlett Foundation, which kind of complements our federal funding. I'd also like to thank Gary and Klaus for all their organizational work, and Michael Schlesinger, who is not able to be here. They've, I guess, cooked up the idea a year ago, and we had a chat about it at the Energy Modeling Forum last year, and it was quite important from the agency standpoint, and so we were able to put the meeting together, and I want to thank the chairs. And lastly, I'd like to thank all of you to take a week from your busy schedules and make yourself present here, and hopefully we'll all learn something from this endeavor, and there'll be some products that the chairs will talk about in terms of papers and messages that we can bring back to the funding agencies about what's important in terms of future research. Okay, well, let's get started. Thank you.